Good morning. Mostly cloudy skies, some mist out there. We've had some rain, we've had some snow in the valley, and we're going to have more of that on the way today. So looking outside, you can see just looking pretty gray, the road surface wet. You might have a little snow on your car here this morning to start off if you park outside. And we're looking at the potential for more of the same as we head into the rest of the day today. In fact, we're kind of on the warmer side of things. And then as we cool down, we're looking at some more likely snow coming up. On top of that, concerns about wind. And there is a wind advisory for central and western parts of North Dakota, but it does include the James River Valley, Jamestown down through Ellendale. This is because we could be seeing gusts to 45 miles per hour today in those areas, and that's advisory in effect until 6 o'clock tonight. So keep that in mind if you're heading west here today or live in those spots. Here's a look at our latest radar. You can see that we've got basically a broken band of rain and snow stretching from around the Pembina area down through northwestern Minnesota and back down toward the Twin Cities. And there's a little area where we're starting to see more snow pop up right in western parts of Polk County. Some deeper blue showing up on the map right over the Ada area, back to the west of Fosston, west of Crookston. So right between Crookston and Grand Forks, driving along Highway 2 and into East Grand Forks, we're looking at some issues with potential snow. Up to the northwest, we are also seeing some areas of some rain and snow. And this is an area that is going to affect more of us throughout the day. We've got some wraparound snow starting to work its way back into places like Rock Lake. And there's more where that came from. You can see some of this snow out to the north and west of us. And this is all wrapping around that low that will eventually swing through. So we're looking at the potential for some additional snow showers. Here's a look at our temperatures, upper 20s to low 30s, 32 degrees in Fargo, 31 in Grand Forks. So right at the freezing mark now. And visibility is going to be a little lower. We're down into the 2-mile range in Wadena, down over toward Elbow Lake and Fergus Falls. Some areas where we're dealing with some fog there. The visibility is lower in that area. And here's a look at your wind speeds. It's quieter over to the east, but it is starting to pick up, especially in our western viewing area. We've got some gusts going on to about 30 miles per hour at this point in time. You add snow to that, and we're talking about visibility issues as we head into later parts of the day today. It's not going to be a big winter storm or anything like that, but we're not used to this, and we're looking at it reducing visibility and maybe being an issue, especially in those open areas coming up. So as we head into the later morning, we'll continue to get that wind coming in and strong, gusting into the 20s and 30s. Heading into the noon hour, you could see some snow up in the northern valley, southern valley. Perhaps we might get a whole day, or a whole half day rather, of a break from it. But eventually this snow will be moving in, and so will the wind. So we're looking at right around when we're heading home from school and work, a widespread area of some scattered snow showers affecting us with some wind to go along with it. And heading into the evening, some scattered light snow showers too affecting us in the valley. So temperatures are going to be in the low 30s to upper 20s. So we're at freezing or below freezing. That means we're going to see some of this stick to some of those colder surfaces. Ground's still a little bit warm here. And then heading into tonight, this does start to move on into the late night hours. And as we're waking up tomorrow morning, the snow event's done. We're still getting some wind though. We're still seeing some winds gusting to 20, maybe even 30 miles per hour as we're starting off the day tomorrow. So it's going to be another breezy one. A look at our snowfall totals. We can expect to see a dusting of snow. There we go. A dusting of snow all the way to up to 1 inch to 2 inches of snow here. Grand Forks back over to Devil's Lake and Bemidji. That might be one of those locations where we're focused on that. But 1 to 2 inches of snow throughout the event. So it's going to last a while, and it's not going to be heavy. That's the bottom line. Looking at your photo today, a late fall afternoon in Maple River State Park. And for Wednesday, a break from the precip at least, but it will be a breezy one. Temperatures below freezing, and we stay below freezing through the rest of the forecast for most days. So we are certainly feeling the chill. And with that, chances for more snow showers off and on through the next 7-day period coming up here in the forecast. So we're going to be dealing with that here throughout the week. Just feeling a little more like winter as we start to work our way into November.
I just can't get the Christmas song. It's beginning.
I know. It's in my head too.
Good or bad.
Yeah. All right, coming up on the Valley today, it is Election Day. We'll get a live report on what you need to know before you head to the polls.